paid version of ChatGPT is in the works, or more or less what they're calling ChatGPT Professional, which is experimental. And probably this has been triggered by maybe the usage of ChatGPT and the virality that it has gotten, and it's being used by everybody for anything and everything. Now, so it launched on kind of Wednesday. This is a post from December 5th, and today crossed 1 million users. Will it be free forever? And Sam Altman, one of, I believe, co-creators of this, we will have to monetize it somehow at some point. The compute costs are eye-watering. It's kind of estimated that it's costing millions per day in dollars to run the servers and create all that. But Elon Musk asked, so for example, he asked, what's the average cost per chat? Average is probably single-digit cents per chat, trying to figure out more precisely and also how we can optimize it. But it's a ton of money that's being spent per month. And also, when you try to go to ChatGPT, you're either getting the servers are too busy working out everything, or maybe you cannot see your earlier conversations. One of those options is actually what you're getting. And according to a post they did on Discord, we are starting to think about how to monetize ChatGPT. Early thinking, nothing official to share. Our goal is to continue improving and maintaining the service, and monetization is one way we are considering to ensure its long-term viability. We're interested in chatting with some folks for 15 minutes to get some early feedback. If you're interested in chatting, please fill out the form. It takes 10 minutes to fill out, and the form is this particular form here, and that's the waitlist for professional ChatGPT access. If you'd like to check it out, link in the description. ChatGPT Professional Experimental is geared towards professional use with always available, no blackout windows, fast responses from ChatGPT, that is no throttling, as many messages as you need, at least 2x regular daily limit. So if you're interested, you can set up a payment process and a pilot. Please keep in mind that it is an early experimental program that is subject to change, and we are not making paid pro access generally available at this time. So it seems like we have a paid version in the works. Hopefully it sees the light of day because it's become revolutionary, but also the free version keeps up with the paid version, probably some few extra perks that really maybe like a limit of how much you can do with ChatGPT, the free version. But that's it. ChatGPT Professional, or a paid version of ChatGPT, is coming soon. Thanks for watching.